Hey, this is George reporting from his hammock again. We finished up leg 6 today. The rain did not hold off like we were hoping. I got a fairly early start, but rain started about 2 o'clock where the forecast had it starting about 5. So I was going to get here about 3. We ran a little late, got about 3:20, and rode the last hour and 20 minutes in the rain. And so the trails, I uploaded some of the videos, showed you some of the trail. That was hard riding, a lot of trail riding today. And the sun never came out, so I got no charging on the solar panel and minimal charging off of my hub charger because, again, I just couldn't make any time on that trail. Once I got on the road, I started making really good time and had one battery pack that went from about 25% charge up to 50% charge. So I'm going to have to make it quick tonight and short because I'm running low on battery on the phone, and I've got to be able to maintain enough battery on the phone so I can check the scores later tonight. Celtics, and we'll have to see what's going on with them and Cleveland, of course. You can see I don't know how to switch this between the forward-looking camera and the back-looking camera. So I hope I just showed you Lock 26. That's where I'm at, and looking forward to a good ride tomorrow. A lot of trail riding, but I think it turns to pavement. They pave it as I'm coming into Rochester, and so I'm hoping the last bit of it is more pavement than more lawn or some of this mud that I've been riding through. So, all right, talk to you later. Bye.